Hi, my beautiful, gorgeous beings. How are you today? How are you feeling? I want to personally welcome you to this beautiful, majestic co-creation and circle that we created here as you come in and we get to bathe in this magic of being you. And my invitation to you today, to you as a soul, as all that you found yourself to be so far, is to join this map to your own inner freedom. For 7 months, I have been creating this channeled series that have come from a power that is beyond what anything I could have created myself as Veronica, so to speak. It is truly a gift to be able to channel and share those truths. Them some of them my humanist wasn't ready to hear, and some of them I knew that were perfectly necessary. So this series of channelings, if you're new to my work, will take you on a journey of discovering your own inner freedom, of questioning many beliefs and things that didn't align with you until now. It will help you find that infinite energy power within you to transmute, to alchemize, to manifest things into your reality. And above all, is to find the beautiful, magical place of being you, of being you. So if this speaks to your field, your curiosity, your desire to discover more of you, then join us on this journey. Follow this map of inner freedom, as every day you'll get a new channeling to activate, to unleash your superhuman abilities, to bathe in this new earth we are creating. You and I, every single one of us, with every thought, every choice, every expression of our divinity, of our wholeness, we create this new earth. So I'm looking for those beings that you have a special mission in this world. You know that you are here to share your magic, that there is this power, this zest, this infinity within you that you're ready to unleash, that voice, that creativity, whatever that is your gift is. If you're ready for that, then this map is for you. I personally channeled it for myself to help my path, and I was guided and asked to share that with those who resonate with this work. If you began your journey of spiritual growth and you began to feel responsible with all that shows up in your field, then you're ready for this work. So come join me, come play with us as you bathe in this channelings every day and as you discover more parts of who you are. And join us on Saturdays. We meet up on Zoom and we bathe in these frequencies and we go deep into ancestral stuff, into the Akashic records, into our multidimensionality. We get to expand and reclaim the power within our DNA and become wholly, heartedly ourselves, the best version that we could be. So welcome to the family. I'm extending my multidimensional heart to embrace you in this. In this family, in this circle. Join us. Come play. Come discover the amazingness of you. My heart goes to you. Let's play.